Okay, in this next video, I'm trying to organize myself. I wind up having like 3 buckets, 1 tote, and 2 large containers. And it's still not enough. It's like, I decided to get a little utility pouch, kind of like what you see electricians and certain people use, about 9 inches wide, and it has 13 pockets, and plus it has a couple of areas where you can go right through the pocket. So it has a couple of things extra. It has a metal clip there for a tape measure. It has a chain with a T-bar on it for electrical tape. So it's gonna suit my needs for what I want. Basically, I'm trying to make this one pouch work for electrical and HVAC for the most part. You know, getting into finishing up this year and getting into next year. I'm trying to organize myself so I don't have to carry buckets full of stuff and empty it out. I'm trying to keep my electrical and HVAC stuff mostly together and try to keep my plumbing stuff in a different bucket so I can grab a couple tools from one area and move it on if I need be, but be more organized. I really like the pouch. It's made by Husky. $24 before tax, about $26 after tax. I'll definitely leave the link below in the description. What you see here in this video is just me trying to configure it, and it's not quite how it's going to end up, but at least you get the idea. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. I gotta find something to carry all this stuff in. It's kind of hard because when you're working on electricity and then you jump to plumbing or HVAC, you don't always use the same tools, and it's annoying me. And carrying this little 2-gallon bucket or whatever it is, a small bucket, and I don't like carrying 5-gallon buckets anymore. I'm buying such really great tools and they work really good for electrical work, and they're making me better. I had to invest in that. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Now that you got that, this has a nice little carrying case. Also has a shoulder strap, and that's how, if I'm just using this by itself, I will not be using the shoulder strap. If I'm carrying other stuff, I'm going to be using the shoulder strap so I can keep one hand free. I don't have this in one hand or too much stuff in one hand. So that's the whole idea of this case. Okay, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It says 13 pockets. Could be, yes, just 13 pockets. 5 long loops. Okay. You got a thing here for tape. You have a clip here for tape measure, which is really nice. 9 inches wide. Anything smaller than that, you're probably gonna run out of room real quick. So let's basically see what's going on. Later on, I'll be using my amp probe. I'm not used to it yet. I'm used to this, and I'm still overburdened, so that's why you don't see me okay, that's more like it. It's nice, I can see what I'm looking at. I can keep the ones I'm going to use the most. That would be 2 Phillips there. This would be the 2, nope, I want the 2 squares. There we go, 2 squares. Put that one in the back there, so it stays there. So I can just put it this way, so I don't have an issue. Oh, does it fit? Yeah, it does fit. So I have to put the square right next to it on the other side. See, I'm starting to run out of room already. Primus wise. One small one I will not be using a lot of. Lovely. Just need a nose. Can't say enough about that. Slide drive I just did in the previous video. That's going in there. Pen tool. Okay. my new IR and Pro temperature device, and of course my professional grade GFCI AFCI tester. Wow, that's looking pretty good there. And we got one here, which is probably not gonna fit, so I'm gonna carry that somewhere else. And I already filled it up. 2 alligator clips I gotta put somewhere where I can find them. I don't want to put them where I can't find them. This is a loose enough pocket so I can put them in there. They should actually be on the should be. Oh, this thing I don't even have a carry in, so I'm gonna keep this in the car. You got a belt loop here too if you want to use that. I don't like stuff in my waist. I'm already too chubby, and it bothers me a little bit. But this loop, wow, this thing's got metal clips holding together. It's got some nice stuff here. We gotta take a look at this. My dual force twin cutters. And it's cool because I can see everything just at a glance, looking at it, go, thank you, put it right back. So that's cool stuff. It looks like I got the right size, and I got pockets for other stuff here I want to put here. I want to save a little room in here. I can do things like that. Okay. That one has a hole on this side here, so I have to be careful with that one. So I have to run this clip on it like that, and it won't go nowhere. Okay. I make a little more room in there. I'm sure I can get this guy in there. There it is. That's everything I intend to carry except some pair of gloves, because when I work on industry, I also work with gloves. I don't just work with I gotta find out what these are for. It looks like you can put carabiners and all kinds of other stuff. Help us deal with that. She's very thick, heavy Cordura, kind of stuff you would see same as the bag. In fact, it's a little heavier on the belt. Do not expect that. I guess the belt can go around your waist, or it can go around your shoulder. You pull it through the belt loop. And you got a belt clip, nice, very nice stuff. You got a nice adjustment here, slide buckle, okay, like that. So I can put it around my waist, or I can put it around my shoulder. I prefer around the shoulder, so that's the way I'm gonna go. I think you guys would enjoy something like this, and this is gonna make me work on HVAC and electrical a lot easier. I gotta put this little Tecton 1/4 inch 5/16 open end. It's actually a closed end wrench. I think it has 6 points instead of 12 points. And I also use a Klein nubby, which is a lot like the slide drive 1/4 inch 5/16, but it's like the one I described before. I kept losing the bits. I don't use it that much, but I need those tools to get into tight areas. But those two also gotta go in here. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any questions, please ask, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.